2 of Baldwin. And here's the new guy over here. And here's number 116, brand new. Doesn't look it though. Have to find out whose engine that used to be on the Penn. We have the Warner overall look at the shop. We have the 300 and another one coming in a few minutes. And hopefully we'll get that done. And some other cars they have, an old RPF. And it's an OB and no observation. And here's the 101. Where it'll be rented into the shop for the rebuilding. And look at some more parts. The 101 hood. And look at everything more. And the 121. 60 steel, going to be rebuilt there. Hopefully the 300. And here are the units in storage. 305, 304, 412, Warner 11, and the 303 X7 Pacific. Well, I went to lunch and of course they came back. Here's the 116, by the way. We just arrived at SMS and the black cars. The Erie Mining unit. Crane they just got 554, and the 200 is the 102.